Disallowed, repressed anger turns to inner rage, torment, and suicidal urges. Denied fear turns into panic attacks, spirit-body splits, and an underlying distrust of people and life in general. These are the rewards of repressing the emotions. Expressing emotions is better than repressing them because it allows a flow of truthfulness in the body and spirit. When we express our emotions, we hand them over to the outside world, where we hope they will be noticed, honored, healed, and transformed into something bright and beautiful. Emotional expression relies on the exterior world and on other people to decipher and transmute emotional messages into action. Emotional repression, on the other hand, makes us unworkably dependent on a body or an unconscious that can only hold so much repressed material until they eventually show up as pain or illness. Both expression and repression have serious drawbacks. However, when you listen to, honor, and channel your emotions, you don't need to hand them off to anyone or anything. Emotional channeling lets you handle your emotions yourself. When you are able to take care of your own emotions, they will take care of you in ways you may not be able to believe right now. All emotions are messages from our unconscious aspects to our conscious one. Strong emotions are the energetic warehouse of the soul. There are two kinds of emotional channeling. One that can be used in any normal healing and meditation session, which channels fleeting emotions, and another that deals with very powerful or repeated emotional states and requires a special meditation of its own. Emotions exist to help the body protect itself. They also serve as a connecting link between the reality-centered body and the light and energy-centered spirit. Emotions are fluid, ever-changing, and extremely versatile energies. Emotions move. Emotions, if properly honored and channeled, create a flowing, healing, and communicative link between the needs of the body and the knowledge of the spirit. The function of emotions is to transport energy from one place to another. Let's try channeling deeper, repetitive, or intense and unrelenting emotions right now. Sit comfortably. Go into the room in your head. Check on your aura. Ground it with its own grounding tube. Check in with your sentry. Now, bring your emotion to its fullness. Let your body feel its intensity. Let your mind describe the emotion in words and images from within your head. Choose a leading color and movement for the energy of your emotion. Anger might be a hot and swirling, swiftly moving orange energy. Fear may be an electrically charged green swirl. Sadness may be a drippy blue energy. Grief may be a solid and unmoving brown cloud. Your mind and body will help you choose your own colors and movements. When you have envisioned the energetic quality of your emotional state, allow it to fill your body completely. And then breathe it out into your aura. Fill your aura with this energy and change its colored boundary to the color and quality of your emotion. From inside your head, watch and feel the movement of this emotion's energy in your body and your aura. When your body and aura are full of the energy of your emotion, fill up your century until it too is made up of the energy of your emotion. Allow the emotion to come into the room in your head and fill the floors, the walls, the ceiling, the furniture, and plants with its energy. For a few moments, sit in your head and study this energy. Listen to it. You may experience sudden changes in temperature or energy flow in your body or your aura. This can happen when your emotion alerts you to problems in your physical or spiritual circumstance. Your emotion may require you to speak, yell, scream, cry, or move around the room. Do it. Be available and keep listening. If the emotional energy tends to gather around one specific part of your aura or your body, ask it why. A second emotion may emerge from within the energy of your chosen one. Choose a color or quality for the new emotion and channel that emotion into your body and aura as well. After a minute or so, or however long you like, turn your root chakra grounding cord into a vacuum. Create a vacuum out of the large grounding tube for your aura. Turn to your centuries grounding cord and make that a vacuum. Now, use all these vacuums to suck the energy of the emotion out of you. Let the energy leave the room in your head. Watch it as it leaves your body. Let the energy of the emotion move down and out of your aura and let it flow out of your century as you watch it from inside the room in your head. As the emotion grounds out of you, remember that its attachments will dissipate until it exits your grounding cord as clean and reusable energy once again. When you are done and the emotional energy is drained away, turn off the vacuums in all the grounding cords and relax for a moment and breathe. Now drop the grounding tube out of your aura. Next, perform the Golden Sun healing to replenish you with clean and neutral energy. And when done with that, bend over and touch the floor to let your body pour off any extra gold sun energy it can't use immediately.